global goals systematically from different perspectives allows students to see that there are more than one way to solve a problem and to see that there's different perspectives and that there's various ways to take action on these issues. As an educator, I believe that it's important to foster global citizenship to help students have empathy and make personal connections to their own community and their own concerns that they would like to address in their said community. For example, in my class, when we first started learning about the global goals, my students wanted to send money to other countries to fix some of the goals because they thought that that was the most effective way to solve those problems. It wasn't until we started looking at each global goal through the lens of the compass, the sustainability compass, that the students started to make connections and realize that there were issues in our own community that they could tackle and address in their own school community. For example, in my class, when we first started looking at the global goals, students noticed that they were wasting a lot of food in the canteen. And at first, they were trying to problem solve and think, how can we solve this problem? How can we figure out how to waste less food? So we started working with our dean, and we had a meeting with the canteen staff. And we figured out some of the issues that were causing some of the food waste, such as children didn't like certain foods, or the canteen staff was giving them too much food and they couldn't eat it all. And so we came up with a goal to waste 50% less food by December. So we started this in about October. And so students we were wasting 76 kilograms of food every day in the elementary canteen. We have a large elementary group. And then our waste in 2 months has gone to 33%, which means that we have met our 50% goal. That's our first target. So our next target is to basically have no waste. So this is one of the ways that students started connecting about their own personal interests that impacted their own lives, and making the connection with global goal number 12, responsible consumption and production. And students felt empowered because even though it was something that might seem small to others, they realized that they had the power to create change in their own school, allowing them the opportunity to tackle other issues that are happening in Saigon, not just in our AISBN community. So I think that it's really valuable to take back to your own community what you are doing with the global goals using the sustainability compass to help make connections in your wider community and how that can impact your understanding and your students' understanding of the global goals and how you can take action on them.